Hi, I'm Nick Johnson, part of the product management team at CPC, and we're happy to announce the release of the 1-inch MPU series, now available worldwide throughout CPC's market-neutral supply chain. The 1-inch hose barb MPU joins the 3/4-inch hose barb MPU that's been used in the industry for 20 plus years, with a proven track record of reliability and performance. The connection process of the MPU is as simple as a quick quarter turn, enabling rapid fill and emptying of bioprocessing containers, reducing operator time and increasing operational efficiencies throughout your facility. The MPU series has a smooth internal flow path, minimizing transitional flow disruptions, as well locking feature guards, preventing an accidental disconnect. In addition, the 3/4-inch and new 1-inch size have 2 side latches to make the connection and disconnection process that much easier. If you have any questions about the MPU series or any connection technology for your biopharma or cell and gene therapy application,